Walt Whitman, 1819 to 1892, is celebrated as one of the most influential figures in American literature and a precursor to modern poetry. His seminal work, Leaves of Grass, encapsulates his groundbreaking ideas about individuality, democracy, and the beauty of the human experience. Whitman's poetry is a vibrant tapestry that weaves together themes of nature, love, and the interconnectedness of all beings. His writings reflect a deep understanding of humanity and a profound appreciation for life in all its complexities. In a world that often prioritizes conformity and materialism, Whitman's lessons urge us to embrace our individuality, connect with nature, foster community, and seek meaning in our experiences. This exploration will delve into the key themes and lessons from Whitman's work, illuminating how his insights can enrich our lives and encourage a more fulfilling existence. The celebration of individuality. 1. Embrace your true self. Whitman's poetry is a powerful affirmation of individuality. He believed that each person is a unique expression of the universe, deserving of acceptance and celebration. In Song of Myself, he famously declares, "I celebrate myself, and sing myself." This line emphasizes the importance of self-acceptance and self-love. Lesson: Whitman teaches us that embracing our true selves is essential for personal fulfillment. In a society that often pressures us to conform, recognizing and honoring our individuality becomes an act of courage. By reflecting on our values, passions, and desires, we can cultivate a deeper understanding of ourselves. This self-awareness fosters confidence and allows us to navigate life authentically. Practical application: consider keeping a journal to explore your thoughts and feelings. Write about your experiences, dreams, and aspirations. This practice can help you clarify your identity and celebrate the uniqueness that makes you who you are. 2. The power of self-expression. Whitman's belief in the transformative power of self-expression is evident in his free verse poetry, which breaks away from traditional forms. He wrote from the heart, capturing the rawness of human experience without restraint. His work encourages readers to find and share their voices. Lesson: self-expression is a vital aspect of being human. Whitman teaches us that our thoughts, feelings, and experiences deserve to be articulated. Engaging in creative pursuits, whether through writing, art, music, or other forms, allows us to connect with ourselves and others on a deeper level. Practical application: explore various forms of artistic expression. Experiment with writing poetry, painting, or playing a musical instrument. Don't worry about perfection, focus on the joy of creation. By sharing your work, you contribute to the rich tapestry of human experience and inspire others to do the same. Connection with nature. 3. Nature as a source of inspiration. Whitman's profound appreciation for nature is woven throughout his poetry. He saw the natural world as a source of inspiration, healing, and wisdom. In Song of Myself, he writes, "I believe a leaf of grass is no less than the journey work of the stars." This perspective highlights his belief in the interconnectedness of all living things. Lesson: engaging with nature can enhance our well-being and provide a sense of peace. Whitman teaches us to find solace and inspiration in the natural world. By immersing ourselves in nature, we cultivate a sense of wonder and gratitude for the beauty that surrounds us. Practical application: make time to spend outdoors regularly. Go for walks in the park, hike in the mountains, or simply sit in your backyard. Pay attention to the sights, sounds, and smells of nature. Consider keeping a nature journal where you document your observations and feelings during these moments of connection. 4. The interconnectedness of life. Whitman's belief in the interconnectedness of all beings is a central theme in his work. He wrote about the unity of humanity and nature, emphasizing that we are all part of a larger whole. In Leaves of Grass, he explores this idea, asserting that every individual is a vital part of the collective experience. Lesson: recognizing our interconnectedness fosters empathy and compassion. Whitman teaches us that our actions impact others and the environment. By understanding this web of life, we can cultivate a sense of responsibility toward our fellow beings and the planet. Practical application: engage in acts of kindness and service to others. Volunteer in your community, participate in environmental initiatives, or support local charities. By recognizing our shared humanity, we contribute to a more compassionate and harmonious world. The spirit of democracy. 5. The importance of community. Whitman's vision of democracy extends beyond politics. It encompasses the spirit of community and inclusiveness. He believed that a true democracy celebrates diversity and honors the voices of all people. In his work, he often expressed a desire for unity and understanding among different cultures and identities. Lesson: engaging with our communities is essential for a healthy society. Whitman teaches us to value collaboration, dialogue, and mutual respect. By building connections with others, we foster understanding and compassion, creating a stronger, more resilient community. Practical application: get involved in local organizations or community groups. Attend town hall meetings, participate in neighborhood events, or join clubs that align with your interests. By actively engaging with your community, you contribute to its vitality and support the democratic spirit Whitman cherished. 6. Celebrating diversity. In Leaves of Grass, Whitman embraced the diversity of the American experience, celebrating different cultures, races, and identities. He believed that the strength of democracy lies in its ability to honor and respect its varied constituents. Lesson: embracing diversity leads to a richer, more vibrant society. Whitman encourages us to learn from one another, appreciate different perspectives, and promote inclusivity. Recognizing the beauty in our differences fosters unity and understanding. Practical application: seek opportunities to learn about different cultures and communities. Attend cultural events, read literature from diverse authors, or engage in conversations with people from different backgrounds. By broadening your understanding of the world, you contribute to a more inclusive society. The human experience. 7. The beauty of life's contradictions. Whitman acknowledged the complexities and contradictions of human existence. He celebrated the joys and sorrows, the triumphs and struggles, recognizing that they are all part of the human experience. In Song of Myself, he explores themes of love, loss, and the passage of time. Lesson: embracing the full spectrum of life, both light and dark, can lead to deeper understanding and acceptance. Whitman teaches us that it's okay to feel a range of emotions. These experiences contribute to our growth and humanity. Practical application: reflect on your own life experiences and the lessons they have taught you. Consider keeping a gratitude journal to acknowledge both the highs and lows of your journey. Recognizing the value in every experience can foster resilience and a greater appreciation for life. 8. The importance of love and connection. Whitman wrote extensively about love in its many forms: romantic, platonic, and universal love for humanity. He believed that love is a transformative force that connects us all. His poetry often expresses a deep yearning for connection and intimacy. Lesson: cultivating love and connection enhances our lives. Whitman encourages us to build meaningful relationships, to love freely and openly, and to express our affection for others. This emphasis on love fosters empathy and strengthens our bonds with one another. Practical application: Make an effort to strengthen your relationships with friends and family. Schedule regular catch-ups, express your appreciation, and engage in meaningful conversations. By nurturing these connections, you enrich both your life and the lives of those you care about. The search for meaning. 9. The journey of self-discovery. Whitman's poetry often reflects a quest for understanding and meaning. He believed that self-discovery is a lifelong journey, one that involves exploring our beliefs, values, and passions. His work encourages readers to embark on their own paths of exploration. Lesson: engaging in self-reflection is crucial for personal growth. Whitman inspires us to ask deep questions about ourselves, our purpose, and our place in the world. This journey may lead to new insights and a clearer understanding of our identity. Practical application: set aside time for regular self-reflection. Consider meditation, mindfulness practices, or journaling to explore your thoughts and feelings. Ask yourself meaningful questions. What are my passions? What do I value most in life? By delving into these inquiries, you can uncover your true self. 10. Finding joy in the present moment. Whitman celebrated the beauty of the present moment, urging readers to savor life's experiences. He wrote about the joy found in simple pleasures, from the rustling of leaves to the laughter of children. Lesson: practicing mindfulness can enhance our appreciation of life. By focusing on the present and finding joy in everyday moments, we cultivate gratitude and contentment. Whitman's emphasis on the here and now reminds us to live fully and embrace life's offerings. Practical application: incorporate mindfulness into your daily routine. Take time to notice the small details around you, whether it's the taste of your food, the feel of the breeze, or the sound of laughter. Practicing mindfulness can lead to a deeper appreciation of the beauty in ordinary moments. The role of art and creativity. 11. The transformative power of art. Whitman believed in the power of art to evoke emotions, provoke thought, and inspire change. He viewed poetry as a means of connecting with the divine and expressing the inexpressible. His work serves as a reminder of the importance of creativity in our lives. Lesson: engaging in creative pursuits can be transformative. Whether through writing, painting, music, or other forms of art, creativity allows us to explore our emotions and connect with others. Whitman encourages us to embrace our artistic instincts and use them as a means of expression. Practical application: set aside time for creative activities that resonate with you. Experiment with different mediums and forms of expression. Share your creations with others, allowing your art to connect with and inspire those around you. 12. Art as a reflection of humanity. Whitman's poetry reflects the breadth of the human experience, encompassing joy, sorrow, love, and loss. He believed that art should capture the essence of life in all its complexity, revealing the shared struggles and triumphs of humanity. Lesson: authenticity in art is essential. Whitman teaches us that true art comes from a place of honesty and vulnerability. By expressing our genuine experiences and emotions, we contribute to a deeper understanding of what it means to be human. Practical application: embrace vulnerability in your creative endeavors. Share your authentic experiences and emotions through your art, allowing others to see the real you. By doing so, you foster connection and understanding among those who encounter your work. Legacy and influence. 13. The call to activism. Whitman was not just a poet, he was also an advocate for social change. He wrote passionately about issues such as slavery, civil rights, and the importance of a just society. His work reflects a commitment to justice and equality. Lesson: engaging in activism is a way to honor our values and advocate for change. Whitman inspires us to stand up for what we believe in, reminding us that each of us has a role in shaping a better world. Standing up for justice fosters progress and empowers others to do the same. Practical application: identify causes that resonate with you and get involved. Volunteer for organizations that align with your values, participate in awareness campaigns, or engage in grassroots activism. By advocating for change, you contribute to the collective effort toward a more just society. 14. The impact of words. Whitman understood the power of words to shape thoughts and inspire action. He believed that poetry could elevate the human spirit and promote social change. His work serves as a reminder of the profound impact language can have on our lives. Lesson: words hold immense power. Whitman's legacy teaches us to use our voices thoughtfully and intentionally, whether in writing, speaking, or everyday conversations. Our words can inspire, heal, and motivate change. Practical application: be mindful of the language you use in your daily interactions. Strive to uplift and inspire others through your words. Consider writing letters to your representatives on issues you care about, using your voice to advocate for change in your community and beyond. Spirituality and the search for the divine. 15. The sacredness of everyday life. Whitman found the divine in the mundane, seeing beauty and spirituality in everyday experiences. He believed that every moment has the potential to connect us to something greater. His poetry invites readers to explore the sacred within the ordinary. Lesson: recognizing the sacred in the ordinary enhances our appreciation of life. Whitman encourages us to find moments of wonder in our daily routines, reminding us that spirituality can be found in simple acts of living. Practical application: create rituals that honor the sacredness of everyday life. This could be as simple as a morning coffee ritual, a daily gratitude practice, or moments of reflection before meals. By infusing your daily routine with mindfulness, you can cultivate a deeper connection to the present moment. 16. The journey toward enlightenment. Whitman's work reflects a quest for spiritual enlightenment. He believed that seeking understanding and connection to the universe is a vital aspect of the human experience. His poetry often serves as a guide for those on their spiritual journeys. Lesson: the search for spiritual fulfillment is a personal journey. Whitman inspires us to explore our beliefs, seek knowledge, and cultivate a sense of connection to the universe. This journey can lead to greater wisdom and understanding. Practical application: engage in practices that nourish your spiritual growth. This could include reading spiritual texts, meditating, or participating in discussions about philosophy and spirituality. By remaining open to new ideas and experiences, you can deepen your understanding of yourself and the world. Conclusion: Walt Whitman's teachings resonate deeply with the human experience, offering profound insights into individuality, nature, community, and the pursuit of meaning. His celebration of life's complexities and the beauty of existence inspires us to live authentically, embrace our connections, and seek deeper understanding. By incorporating Whitman's lessons into our lives, we can cultivate a more meaningful existence, one that honors our individuality, nurtures our relationships, and fosters a profound appreciation for the world around us. As we navigate the challenges of modern life, let us draw inspiration from Whitman's enduring legacy, striving to live fully and expressively, celebrating the richness of our shared human experience.